If you're like me and use your Apple Watch mostly to view notifications or unlock your MacBook, then you probably haven't explored its wide variety of other useful features. It's also safe to assume you probably have forgotten about quick shortcuts and features that are available by using Force Touch. Hey everyone, Dan with MacRumors, and in this video, we're going to take a look at some of the top hidden Force Touch features for your Apple Watch. Starting us off is the ability to clear all notifications with one press. So this is actually a feature that I do use on a daily basis, and it can be super useful if you have a never-ending list of notifications and you just want to get rid of them all at once. To do so, simply swipe down to reveal your notification shade and then force touch the center of the watch and tap the clear all option. Next, we have create a custom watch face. If you want an easy way to create a watch face using a custom photo, all you have to do is select your photo in the Photos app and then force touch the display by pressing firmly in the center, and a create watch face option will appear. You can select the photos or kaleidoscope options for your custom watch face. Next, we have compose a new message. Now, I only use messages or mail to read notifications and reply to them as they come in, but I rarely ever need to create a new message. If you do want to create a new one on your watch, it would seem as though at first glance that it might not be possible. However, if you force touch within the app, the compose new message button will appear. Next, we have change move goal and get a weekly activity summary. So there are days that I don't actually wear my watch or that I don't actually do a lot of moving, but putting all judgment aside, you can change your move goal or get a weekly activity summary simply by force touching the activity screen. From there, you can read your weekly summary or reduce or increase your daily calorie move goal. Next, we have share your location with a contact. If you need to share your location quickly and maybe using your phone is just not an option at the moment, well, you can force touch on an existing conversation within the Messages app, and from here you can now share your current location. Sticking with the Maps app, we have switch map view and search local amenities. So whenever you're looking at a map in the stock Maps application, you can change from transit to public transport view at any time by, you guessed it, force touching on the screen. You can also access the search here option from the same menu and either dictate or scribble a search term to look up nearby food, shopping, and travel. Our next feature is the switch app screen to list view, which is one of my personal favorites, simply because I absolutely do not like the grid view when trying to choose an app to open up. It's really hard to find the app that you're looking for, and using grid view almost always results in me accidentally selecting the wrong app. If you force touch the jumble of apps, you can now switch from grid view to list view, and you can use the digital crown or your finger to scroll through a list of apps in alphabetical order. This next feature might be more of a personal preference, but it's the ability to see the hourly temperature forecast or chance of rain within the weather app. So when viewing the weather app on your Apple Watch, the standard forecast display shows the general weather conditions for the day ahead. By force touching the center of your watch, you can now choose to see the temperature change over the next 12 hours or the percentage of rain. Finally, our last trick is controlling the camera settings remotely from your watch. And this is something that I definitely forget you can even do, which is control your iPhone's camera by using your Apple Watch. And so aside from being able to control the shutter from your watch, you can also access a submenu via a force touch and change the HDR, live photo, flash, and flip controls. So what are your thoughts on these Apple Watch Force Touch features? If you know of any that we did not cover and you want to share them with us, please do so in the comment section down below. This has been Dan with MacRumors. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.